Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Rabbi zidni ilma. Dear friends, in my previous video, I told you about 4 happy hormones. We discussed the introduction of hormones and we also discussed the working and functions of 2 happy hormones that are dopamine and serotonin. In this video, I am going to tell you about the third happy hormone, and that is endorphins. Actually, these hormones, these powerful hormones, are called pain relievers and mood boosters. They help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. They may also support our immune system, our memory, and our cognitive functions. Now, what are the natural endorphins boosters? First one is exercise. Dear friends, remember that I talked about exercise and meditation in my previous video as well. It means they have much importance in our life. You should exercise daily. Now, exercise includes gardening, all outdoor games, and brisk walk, swimming, running, and strength training, gym training, that physical exercises. These all are included in exercise. So please make sure that you do exercise daily. Make it the part of your routine life. Yes, meditation. Meditation is another important thing. You know that while you focus your mind on something, so your all energies, your all skills are groomed. They are grown up. They are polished. Because when your mind is scattered, when your mind, is divided into many thoughts, so you cannot do anything using your skills, using your strength. So please, it's my advice that you should meditate daily. Now there can be a question, what is a meditation? Meditation means mindfulness. Means you need to focus your mind on something. Like you can keep an object in front of you. Okay, you can think about something. Or yes, there is another thing. Being Muslim, if I talk about meditation, it means that you should think about Holy Kaaba or the Roza Mubarak of our beloved Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. You should think that you are sitting respectfully in front of Holy Kaaba or Roza Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and imagine that white light or noor is coming from skies, that is striking, that is coming to Holy Kaaba or Holy Prophet's Roza, and after touching that is coming to you, and that noor is entering your body. This is called meditation. Okay, by this you will get peace of mind. Things are there for endorphins. Yes, have dark chocolate. It is full of energy. And yes, then there is another thing, laughter. Laughter or laugh. We have already heard that laughter or laughing is the best medicine. It suppresses stress, anxiety, and depression. At the same time, you get pleasant feelings, you get freshness, you are energized while you laugh, while you listen to a joke or tell a joke to your friends, or you have a gathering with your friends, or you tell some events, some humorous events, stories to your friends. So you feel fresh, and the level of endorphins and dopamine are increased as well. And now it's time to talk about the fourth happy hormone, and that is called oxytocin, the love hormone. Actually, it is best known for its role in bonding and attachment. While you have plenty of this hormone in your body, so it promotes positive feelings in your mind. It also has impact on social behavior related to trust, relaxation, and overall psychological stability. Yes, there is another thing that while you meet your friends, actually, this because I have told you, this is called love hormone. So it is linked, it has a link with loved ones. So social gatherings, like gatherings with your friends, parents, partners, are very important to increase the level of oxytocin. Okay, yes, if you have pet, you touch it, you care for it. So it also increases the level of this hormone. And yes, another thing, cooking and eating together. While you cook something with your friends, with your loved ones, you spend time during cooking, and after that you eat together. This only this activity increases the levels of all of the four happy hormones in your body. Another thing that I have told you earlier, exercise and meditation, they are very much important. Laughter is also very important. Keep laughing when you are depressed. Talk about your previous moments when you were very happy. Think about the moments you spent with your friends, with your loved ones. Actually, what does our mind do? It works according to our thoughts. Whatever we think, minds and all the things, all the cells related to, all the neurons related to mind, they work accordingly. If you think positively, so all the neurons, all the neurotransmitters, all the hormones, all the cells, they work positively. But if you think negatively, so the same negative things happen with all the parts of your body. Laughter is another thing, and after that, worship of God. That the sense of meeting your God, the sense of meeting your friends, and at the same time sense of meeting your God. That when we perform prayer, it is ordered by Allah and Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, to think that you are watching Allah. Just you have to imagine with firm belief that you are watching Allah. If you cannot have this belief, then think that Allah is watching you. So the sense of feelings of closeness with your God increases the level of these four hormones in your body. And yes, friends, sound sleep is very important. Without interruption, without any hurdle, if you have sound sleep for whole night, so you can have the strength of facing so many mental and health problems. You can have strength if you have sound sleep. So please make sure that make your routine according to your sound sleep timing, and work accordingly and sleep according to your schedule. So then you can have a proper healthy life. So dear friends, now I have discussed about the four happy hormones, and I hope that you will really enjoy it while you will watch it, and obviously you will have a positive impact in your life while you can say follow the rules that I have told you, and you can follow the things to increase the four happy hormones levels in your body. Please like and subscribe, and yes, take care.